All right, so I found some instructions on Microsoft's website that say to install WSL. It's quite easy. Look, they just say type WSL dash dash install. So let's give it a run. All right. Ins- Install the latest version of Ubuntu. Okay, so it says feature is not installed. So I remember I can go to settings, type features, optional features. Now let's see. No, this is what I'm looking for. So they said go to the bottom and enable Windows subsystem for Linux. This may require a reboot. All right, stopping video. All right, we're back. Now I'm going to go back to the command prompt and do this again. All right, WSL dash dash install. It's going to re-download Ubuntu, it looks like. All right, so I want the username John. Type in my password. All right, so we got one. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just run a simple apt update. So this updates the list of all packages. Then you want to do apt upgrade. Okay, another thing I forgot to do was to check which version of Ubuntu we have installed. So you could type lsb underscore release dash a 24. Note, if you just run lsb release, okay, you could do lsb release dash r to get just the version dash a to get all the other features. All right, so I guess I'll make some videos in the future where I show how I set up my WSL, like what I install. I have some Bootstrap scripts that I just run. I use Vim, I use Tmux. So that's it for now. Thank you.